Hello YouTube marketers and internet marketers. Thanks again for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am testing out this new product that just launched in the internet marketing world. It was advertised as a new YouTube hack to get #1 rankings, more views, 10 times more views, traffic. So it was caught my attention. So here I am checking it out, and it's a YouTube thumbnail generator and it's supposed to be really good. So I'm gonna buy it, check it out and see if it is really that good. So here's the sales page with some of the features. I'm just gonna skim through it. It's got a lot of testimonials. So here's like the standard thumbnail that YouTube automatically generates, and then this is what you can create with it, these customized thumbnails. Okay, and so these thumbnails are actually really good. I myself don't use any thumbnail generators. I just do the old-fashioned way with Microsoft Paint, and then a lot of times just use the standard YouTube generator. But I can see how this can increase your click-through rates by a lot. It looks really nice, catches your attention, so I will be probably, if it's really that good, I will definitely want to keep on using it. And of course it is used by the top YouTubers. You can see it all the time. All the top guys always have these fancy eye-popping thumbnails. So I can see how it dramatically helps, and I should have used it a lot earlier, a lot sooner. Now it's never too late. So here's some more features. 100+ pre-designed thumbnails. That's really cool. So you pretty much choose a template and then edit it. What you see is what you get kind of style. Drag and drop. So it seems very professional looking. Without killer thumbnails, you're losing money every minute. We'll see about that. And there's this coupon right here, VIP8, for an 8% discount. So I'll use it, I'll buy it, and then see how it is. And you get a 30 days money back guarantee and a bunch of bonuses. Let's check out the bonuses. Business Finder tool, channel finder to find YouTube channels that need thumbnail services, and special report for these niche that needs more video views. Okay, and that's the author. And this is a web-based tool, so there's nothing to download or install, and also it works, and you can essentially use thumbnails for YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook. Let's get started. And it's a 14 days money back guarantee. So let's buy it, and I'll leave a link to this ThumbReel generator below for you guys to check out. So here's how to buy it. Just enter in your email, make sure you enter in that coupon, and then pay by PayPal. Okay, so here I am paying now. Okay, so here is the JVZoo account that you just purchased, and to access your purchases, just click on view details. So I think they're just gonna email you the download information to your email that you used to pay with. Alrighty, so here we are finally in the ThumbReel dashboard. This is what it looks like, and they also have a live ThumbReel training, so that's pretty cool. More added value to your purchase. So down here are your thumbnails, your YouTube accounts, thumbnails created. Let's check out the templates. So we got something for Bitcoin, make money, some tweet. So a bunch of different, a variety of niche. a lot of internet marketing stuff, and I'll probably be using it for all of my future videos as well. So just go through all the thumbnails, templates. So the different variety of styles, that's what I like. And you can easily change the background as well. Okay, no more templates, so that's all 100. So I'm gonna pick one for this video I'll be publishing, and then let's see how it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna go with this one right here. Let's preview the truth about YouTube. So my thumbnail will be the truth about ThumbReel. So let's see how we edit this. Okay, so first we can rename this if you want. So you can point and click. So let's see about this image. What happens if we upload a new image? I want to see how that looks. Okay, awesome. If you upload a transparent image, it will automatically be transparent as well, and then you can move it around, place it anywhere you want. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. And then you can move the guy around as well and replace it. So that's pretty cool. You can delete him, or whatever picture is here, delete. And then put your own box image or whatever you want. And then you can also undo if you messed up. Effects. I'm not really a graphics artist, so I'm not sure what these actually do. So blank color, see. So right now it's kind of purple, so let's make it green. So what does that do? Let's see what happens. So I'm not even sure what that does exactly. Anyways, like I said, I'm not a creative graphic designer, so I'm not sure how to make it better exactly. But let's see, we add a headline or a new heading. You can just enter it in like that. You can change the font. So yeah, this is so far everything's working nicely. You can add in shapes. You can drag it to make it bigger. You can change the color. I'm like ruining this thumbnail right now. You can add in a border. Cinema, what is emoji? Oh yeah, this is nice. I see a lot of thumbnails out there from top YouTubers that uses a lot of these emojis. That looks kind of weird. So yeah, this is kind of fun as well, making your own thumbnail. It's definitely more interesting than the kind of thumbnails I've been creating, for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics of it. So yeah, I'll be using this for this current video and probably most of my future videos as well. Yeah, it works nice and easy. Let's delete that. And you can move this line. So the truth about ThumbReel, since I'll be making this about ThumbReel. Alright, yeah, I'll still be messing around with this, but let's publish it as an example to see what it looks like. Okay, now it's asking you to choose an account, but I don't want to choose an account, I just want to publish it. So let's see if, oh, we can just download it actually. I don't need to publish it. So if you don't want to connect your YouTube account, just go ahead and download it. And there it is. It downloads. Let me open it up. There it is in my Microsoft Paint that I've been using for all my thumbnails actually, but not anymore. I have this now. Yep, so it's a really useful app. I like it. So I'm gonna give this my seal of approval. It's a good quality product for YouTube. And if you guys want to check it out, please use my affiliate link down below in the video description. I really appreciate it. It helps me create more tutorial videos and review videos on new marketing products. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, tips, please also leave it in the comments. Thanks again. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe for more internet marketing tips, tricks, reviews, and tutorials. And until next time, happy marketing.